In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Twitter, now called X. Let's start on your main X dashboard. Open your browser and go to the X website, then log in if you aren't already. You should see your home feed with a menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find most of the important account options. Look at that left column and find the option labeled More. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. Click on More to expand an additional list of settings and tools that aren't shown by default. From this expanded list, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, where you can manage everything from your profile details to security and privacy options. Take a second to make sure you're on the correct account if you use more than one. On the settings page, you'll see several sections. Look for the one related to your account and click on Account Information. This is where your key contact details are stored, including your email address. Because this section is sensitive, X wants to make sure it's really you accessing it. At this point, you'll be asked to type in your account password. Carefully enter your current X password in the field provided. This extra step helps protect your account, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. Once you've typed your password, click on Confirm. If the password is correct, X will unlock your account information and bring you to a page that lists details like your username, phone number, and email. On this page, find the line labeled Email and click on it. This opens the email settings for your account, where you can see the address currently associated with X. Next, click on Update Email Address. This tells X that you want to replace your existing email with a new one. Before you continue, make sure you have access to the new email inbox, because X will likely send a verification code or link there. Now, type in your new email address carefully, watching out for typos, since even a small mistake could send the verification message to the wrong place. When you're confident the email is correct, click on Next. X will guide you through any remaining verification steps. After you confirm the email from your inbox, your new address will officially be linked to your Twitter or X account.